Aromatherapy for everyone, essential oils. Today we are talking about cedarwood. I am not a therapist, I am not a doctor, I am just reading about the benefits, the therapeutic uses for cedarwood. Cedarwood. The smell of a newly sharpened pencil brings back good memories. You'll love the mild, sweet, woody scent of cedarwood. Native Americans value cedarwood for its healing and purification properties. They use it to combat respiratory infections and also to treat arthritis, skin rashes, and kidney infections. Cedarwood was also used in some ceremonies for purification. Egyptians also embraced cedarwood and used it in the mummification process, cosmetics, and to repel insects. Insects and rats hate the smell of cedarwood. Therefore, it makes a great repellent, especially against mosquitoes, moths, and woodworms. In fact, at one time, cedarwood was combined with citronella and used as a commercial insecticide. Today, aromatherapists use cedarwood in a variety of capacities, from insect repellent to mood relaxer. Therapeutic uses for cedarwood: acne, arthritis, asthma, bronchitis, congestion, coughs, cystic sticks, dandruff, eczema, insect repellent, kidney disorders, nervous tension, oily skin, psoriasis, rheumatism, stress-related disorders, and urinary tract infection. These are the therapeutic uses of cedarwood. I am not a doctor. Essential oil application. For arthritis and rheumatism, add 2 to 3 drops to 1 ounce of carrier oil and massage into affected area. Can also add 8 to 10 drops in bath water. For acne, eczema, psoriasis, and oily skin, mix 2 to 3 drops in 1 ounce of carrier oil and dab on infected area. For asthma, bronchitis, congestion, and coughs, use 2 to 3 drops in a steam inhalation. To alleviate nervous tension and stress-related disorders, use 2 to 3 drops in a diffuser. For cystic kidney disorders or urinary tract infection, use 8 to 10 drops in bath water. For dandruff, mix 2 to 3 drops in unscented hair conditioner, massage on scalp, leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse. To repel insects and rats, use a few drops on cotton balls and place in infested area. Can also use 2 to 3 drops in a diffuser. Cedarwood essential oil mixes well with other oils such as anise, bergamot, citronella, chamomile, eucalyptus, ginger, juniper berry, lavender, lemon, palmarosa, patchouli, pine, rosemary, and sandalwood. Use all these instructions according to your use. I am not a therapist or a doctor. Parts of the cedarwood that is used is wood chips and sawdust. Safety information. Avoid if pregnant. Possible irritation to skin in sensitive types. Do a patch test first. Fun fact about cedarwood. Cedarwood is used to make pencils, which makes its aroma reminiscent of school days gone by. This is everything that I have on cedarwood. Use it wisely. Always use a carrier oil to mix with cedarwood, because another carrier oil will prevent the oil from burning you, because essential oils can burn your skin. Always use another carrier oil. It could be sweet almond oil, a little castor oil, a little olive oil, but always use another carrier oil with your essential oils. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. Simply Makeup is saying to go out there and live life as always. Live it safe and live it well. It is short, so do the best you can every single day and enjoy it. I will see you soon. Bye.